Now might be the best time to buy Saitama. Here's why. Meme coins have become increasingly popular in recent years, making their investors incredibly wealthy in a short amount of time. Keep in mind that when it comes to your hard-earned cash, we don't claim to be financial experts. So at the end of the day, it's entirely up to you what you do with the information we provide in our content. This video will talk about meme coins and the Saitama token in particular. Before we go any further, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more about trendy cryptocurrencies. One of such trendy coins that has recently gained popularity is Saitama, but many people doubt that Saitama will continue to go up and defy the odds like Shiba did. Some meme coins have seen their value explode in the previous year, while others have seen their value drop. It's common for them to be high risk, high volatility investments. The goal of today's video is to ensure that you're aware of any potential concerns before investing in meme coins. So let's get started with talking about what meme coins are first. This will help you connect the dots a little easier and decide if Saitama is right for you or not. What are meme coins? According to many experts, meme coins are imaginary bubbles that will eventually pop at some point. Experts use the lack of apps that these meme coins support as an argument against them, which is understandable because these tokens literally don't have any real-world value and no new projects to make them a secure investment. Hence the name meme coin, because it's literally just a joke. This means that people eventually lose interest in these types of coins because they gain a lot of popularity in the beginning, but it works both ways. The higher the value goes, the lower it'll go later on when people move on from the coin. But this isn't necessarily a bad thing. People can use this as a safety net to invest in a meme coin before it gains popularity for whatever reason and sell it off before people lose interest. The popularity could be fueled by cheeky posts by influencers that could bump up the price, just like Elon did with Dogecoin. This method of driving the price up was also illustrated by the price of Floki Inu, which soared due to a flourishing Twitter community. So it's safe to say that these groups have the ability to significantly affect meme coin pricing, or perhaps be the only thing that could manipulate the price. But if that's the case, doesn't that make them a bad investment? Yes, it makes it a super risky investment. What makes Saitama better than other meme coins? Most, if not all, initiatives aim to get projects off the ground in order to prove their usefulness. The Shiba Swap DEX, for instance, is run by Shiba Inu. The team behind Saitama wants to build an entire ecosystem around their meme coin, including an NFT platform called Saitama Maker, a crypto wallet called Saitama Mask, and a marketplace called Saitama Market. So they're not just after chasing clout. They do in fact have use cases, unlike most meme coins out there. Support for NFTs could be good for business since NFTs have proven to attract new users and investors thanks to all the hype that surrounds them. But that's not all. Saitama is also considered to be more secure than other meme coins. That's because Saitama belongs to the ERC20 family of tokens. This means that the coin is dependent on the Ethereum network, and literally everybody trusts Ethereum with their money. The ERC20 standard is used by the majority of meme coins because it not only provides security but also enables developers to produce new coins in a relatively straightforward manner. Additionally, Saitama promises to be a store of value and uses a unique burning mechanism to keep its value. Only 2% of all transactions are destroyed, meaning they are removed from circulation forever. As a result, the quantity of tokens is reduced and the value of each token rises. Consequently, 4% of all transactions are distributed to the holders. What's more, the Saitama team hopes to implement anti-whale features. This might prevent the token's elite holders from influencing its price by buying or selling large amounts of it. As far as increasing the value is concerned, the Saitama group plans to include a wide range of DeFi features. One of these features is the Saitama Mask wallet. They also intend to create an NFT market where anybody can buy and sell NFTs, as we've already discussed. Both of these initiatives, unfortunately, have a long way to go and may not be seen in action anytime soon. So it's too soon to recommend Saitama as an investment, but what are the chances? Since its inception, Saitama has been on an astonishing bull run. Meme coins have now officially been a part of the virtual token evolution. With over 180,000 holders, Saitama has reached stage 3 and is on the edge of being listed on major exchanges such as Binance, KuCoin, and Coinbase. Despite the fact that digital currencies have been around for over a decade, we are only at the beginning of a monetary revolution that will rebuild our society, redistribute wealth, and empower anyone to attain financial independence. A big chunk of the next generation of investors has yet to join, but they'll need to understand how money works first in order for global decentralized finance to become a reality. This is where Saitama comes in, by providing tools and knowledge that make people feel comfortable with money while investing, leading to incredible wealth development opportunities. Price analysis. Saitama has a market cap of a little under $3 million, with a supply of 100 quadrillion tokens. If we're being honest, the token's market value needs to exceed the whole crypto market in a short time frame to achieve something like 1,000 times spike in price that investors are expecting. Nonetheless, assuming the token's strong positive sentiments keep developing, the currency just might climb by 1,000 times. To put things in perspective, Saitama has only been operational for a year, yet it has already burned 55% of its total supply of 100 quadrillion coins. As a result, many investors now think it's a good idea to invest in it. Adding its own deflationary token scheme into the mix just calls for even more positive sentiment for the coin in the market. But can it reach 1 cent? Well, maybe not, because such a value is extremely difficult to achieve, considering Saitama is currently sitting at this value. So, in theory, even if only 2% of all transactions are burned, this is insignificant in comparison to its market capitalization of $280 million. A typical investment is worth around $50 million, and if 2% of that is burned every day, that equates to about $1 million. In comparison to the $4 billion supply, this falls short. If these measures are well executed, they may have a significant impact on the selling price. Unfortunately, the coin's best features are dependent on the number of projects it launches. This means that the value of Saitama could decline if one or more of these factors fails to operate in its favor. But still, despite all that, the token has the potential to be a profitable investment. One of the objectives of analysts and traders is for the currency to reach 1 cent. And with the current market decline, now is the ideal time to invest in the token and gain some nice long-term profits. How to buy Saitama? Saitama is not yet listed on any centralized exchanges because it's a relatively new project, so you'll have to buy the token through a decentralized exchange, such as Uniswap. Since it might be tough to know where to begin when it comes to trading and investing, you'll need the help of a broker to guide you through the process. You can open an account on several broker websites for this, including eToro and Coinbase. eToro is the slightly cheaper option in terms of fees compared to any other exchange. To get started, you'll need an email address, a password, and a quick verification of your personal information, which will be requested to prove account ownership. After that, go to the centralized exchange and buy the required amount of Ethereum. From there, send it to a Uniswap connected wallet, and you're done. Conclusion. In the end, it depends on you and your risk appetite when it comes to investing in a risky meme coin like Saitama. Especially considering that in order to accomplish their objectives, Saitama needs to increase its market value by more than 30%. This gain is highly dependent on the trading volume and project expansion. Saitama might experience tenfold benefits in the future if the network continues to expand and Saitama implements all of the things it promises it will. But this would require Saitama's market capitalization to surpass $10 billion, which is highly unlikely to happen anytime soon. Saitama currently lacks any unique use cases, and with so many alternative cryptocurrencies accessible to investors, there's a good chance that Saitama may fall short, and investors could choose the more popular one like Dogecoin, for example, which has Elon Musk's support. And given the fact that he's recently bought Twitter, he could even offer Doge as a payment option. So things like these are important to consider when you're looking at crypto and meme coins in particular. Saitama could be a decent investment for you if you're okay with taking a leap of faith to diversify your portfolio with risky crypto projects. But if you're afraid to accept the risk, this might not be the appropriate fit for you. Always remember that cryptocurrencies are very unpredictable investments, so never invest more than you can afford to lose. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Please leave a comment below to tell us what you think about Saitama. If you'd like to learn the difference between Saitama Inu and its cousin, click on the pop-out banner to watch our video on Shiba Inu.